Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the Hytera BD352i radio. I've already laid out all the components that comes in this box. So it's the radio, the battery, the antenna, the belt clip, the wrist strap, and the power cord. So let's assemble all this together. To insert the battery, you actually have to take the battery door off, and there's a switch at the bottom that turns red when it's unlocked. And you want to line these up. And to place it back in, you go from the bottom to the top, press it down for a click, and then you want to lock it in place so you move the tab to the left. Then you have the antenna. Turn it clockwise until it's snug. And if you want to install the belt clip, you actually need a screwdriver here. So the screws are already on the back of the radio. You would need to unscrew those and place in your belt clip here. Next, the wrist strap. I recommend using this if you're constantly on your radio and don't want to use an earpiece or remote speaker mic. It just helps prevent you dropping the radio. And to charge this radio, you want to make sure it's completely turned off. And on the side, you'll see a cover here. If you open it, you'll reveal the port where you can charge it. You can easily do that like this. And you can plug it in and it's good to go. To check out this radio and more, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.